Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. The Promise of Victory. The turtle steps forward. The turtle steps forward. The turtle looks at the rabbit. The turtle looks at the rabbit. I want to have a race. I want to have a race. The rabbit moves its ears. The rabbit moves its ears. Will you join the race? Will you join the race? The monkey looks very surprised. The monkey looks very surprised. The birds fly around the sky. The birds fly around the sky. The bear opens its eyes. The bear opens its eyes. The fox comes closer. The fox comes closer. The turtle speaks very calmly. The turtle speaks very calmly. I will not run away. I will not run away. The rabbit starts to laugh. The rabbit starts to laugh. This is very funny. This is very funny. The monkey hits the tree. The monkey hits the tree. The forest becomes noisy. The forest becomes noisy. The turtle looks ahead. The turtle looks ahead. Let us run to the goal. Let us run to the goal. The rabbit looks very proud. The rabbit looks very proud. I can win very easily. I can win very easily. The deer look at each other. The deer look at each other. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The wind moves the grass. The wind moves the grass. The turtle raises its head. The turtle raises its head. I mean it very seriously. I mean it very seriously. The rabbit stamps its feet. The rabbit stamps its feet. Then let us race tomorrow. Then let us race tomorrow. The monkey makes a loud voice. The monkey makes a loud voice. The bear slowly nods. The bear slowly nods. The fox looks at the road. The fox looks at the road. It looks like a long road. It looks like a long road. The turtle smiles slightly. The turtle smiles slightly. I will go to the end. I will go to the end. The rabbit looks at the sky. The rabbit looks at the sky. I will never lose. I will never lose. The birds spread their wings. The birds spread their wings. The wind moves through the forest. The wind moves through the forest. The deer draws a line. The deer draws a line. This is the start. This is the start. The turtle looks at the line. The turtle looks at the line. The rabbit stands in front. The rabbit stands in front. The monkey shows a smile. The monkey shows a smile. Everyone is gathering. Everyone is gathering. The bear sits very quietly. The bear sits very quietly. The turtle takes a deep breath. The turtle takes a deep breath. I am ready. I am ready. The rabbit jumps very actively. The rabbit jumps very actively. Tomorrow will be fun. Tomorrow will be fun. The birds watch the morning sun. The birds watch the morning sun. The forest became very bright. The forest became very bright. The day of the race comes closer. The day of the race comes closer. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.